Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a BMW such as X1 or X3, guys, make sure to stay until the end. X1 or X3, guys, with a 4-cylinder engine. This is the 2.0 4-cylinder gasoline engine, guys. And you have a drivetrain malfunction light, engine light, guys. Car died, or it's not running good, not running rough, and you may even have a few codes that we'll share in the description of the video below. I think one of the codes was 130E20, guys. We'll explain what can cause that, guys. There is a weak spot on that engine, especially for certain years, so we're going to cover all that today. Quick introduction: that same engine, this is called the N20 or N26 engine. This is for the SULEF engine. It's the same engine that's been used in multiple BMWs. We have that 5 Series, guys, but it's the same engine, and many of you ask me for an X1 and X3 with that engine how to fix that problem. That's why we're making the video. But quick introduction, guys: every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, guys, we make more than 200 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Now, if you need to buy any parts or tools to fix your car, check out, guys, we'll have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So, as you know, guys, we have that 5 Series BMW. If you have that valve cover, okay, twin power turbo engine, you can see, guys, this is the valve cover. And if you guys have problems with engine light being on, car not running right, dying, idling really rough, okay, we'll explain what is a weak problem on those engines. Doesn't mean that's the problem with yours, but it could be, guys, because we've noticed quite a few BMWs with that problem. We read about timing chains, guys, and we've done some work before. Failing timing chain guides. What the timing chain guide? This is the plastic piece, okay, that keeps the timing chain at a certain position. And what BMW did, from what I understand, from what people say on the forums, they didn't design it with the correct plastic or something like that, and the plastic, when it gets hot, it burns through the years and it started malfunctioning. And some cars will develop that with only, like, I read it anywhere from 30 to 120,000 miles, but most of them will have the problem between 70 and 80,000 miles. This here, he developed it, and how many, guys? 87,000 miles. So, right there. We dropped the oil pan, and no surprise, check it out. We, guys, have our timing chain guide inside the oil pan. So, looking at it now, guys, okay, we're going to take it apart more and replace it. We will explain if you can save it or not in a little bit. But looking at it, okay, that piece is the one, okay, right there. Check it out, how it's matching. And this is the other piece somewhere there as well. So all that, guys, is in the oil pan. Now, if you want to see the whole video for replacing the timing chain on that N20 B20 engine, guys, this is N20 B20 engine, we're going to have the whole video on our main channel, how to repair, guys. Everything from start to finish will be a very long video. How to remove and replace your timing chain, how to set the timing, all that will be there. Now, if you need help, let us know, guys. We're going to see if we can make a video for your specific problem. Leave a comment below, guys. Check out the link for the description for the links of the parts. You can see where you can get them from, and more to come soon on the timing chain replacement. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.